Alright, so I realized that to take off my tank, I'm gonna have to take my exhaust out. So I'm already working on it. Where is it? So you can see I already took those two off and I broke that one. Just gotta break the other one. It's pretty much out. So I removed this from there. So step one is good. So it looks like shit. That just hangs there. That I disconnected from here. So now I can just take it off now. I gotta put a jack stand underneath this to hold it so it doesn't fall on my face. But that's pretty much holding it from here only. And this is, it's not on anymore. So, yo, what up? So I already removed the exhaust, as you can see yesterday. Today I'm taking off the exhaust manifold. And I got one off, and I was recording for TikTok, that's why I haven't recorded right here, but pretty much all I did is went underneath the car and then I hit the ones underneath the car for these two right here, and then these two is up here, and the rest I could just do up here, so it's all easy. And it's a 11. It's a 11. I'm just hitting it with this little husky thing from Home Depot. It's pretty nice.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What up, homie? So I figured out that I'm gonna end up dropping my subframe because I looked underneath the car and the whole subframe is like welded onto the car. It's like, it's fucked, man. Like, I don't know what happened. It got fucked up and they tried to fix it, and I'll show you the welds, but it's horrible. So I'm gonna have to remove my whole subframe and reinforce it and get it welded. So that's what I'm gonna do now.